It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Why does a dog bite only one family member? This behavior raises many questions, especially when the dog bites only one person in the home. Understanding the reasons for this behavior can help families understand the complexities of canine interactions. Let's talk about the reasons. 1. Fear is a driving force. One of the most common reasons is fear. If a dog has had a negative experience with that person, even unintentionally, it can leave an indelible mark. For example, if a child accidentally hurts the dog while playing, the dog might associate that person with pain or discomfort. This fear can manifest itself in a variety of ways, such as growling or biting when that person approaches. The dog may not show aggression toward other family members because they lack that negative association. 2. Temperament and individual differences. Like humans, dogs have unique personalities that influence their reactions. If a person is boisterous or unpredictable in their movements, the dog may feel threatened and resort to biting as a defense mechanism. Conversely, a calmer family member may not pose a threat, allowing the dog to feel comfortable around them. 3. Household dynamics and their impact. Dogs closely observe human behavior and can sense tension or conflict. If the relationship between the bitten person and the rest of the family is tense, the dog may feel the need to protect itself or its territory. This protective instinct can sometimes lead to aggression if the dog perceives that person as a threat. 4. Training and socialization factors. Training and socialization are crucial aspects of dog upbringing that influence behavior. A dog that has not been properly socialized may have difficulty interacting appropriately with certain people. If a dog has only had positive experiences with a limited number of people during its formative months, it may become wary or aggressive toward others. This lack of exposure can lead to biting when encountering unfamiliar or less familiar people. 5. Aggression triggers. In some cases, a dog may have specific triggers that provoke aggressive responses. For example, if a person tends to approach the dog too quickly or invades its personal space, the dog might respond with a bite to assert its boundaries. Identifying these triggers is essential for modifying the dog's behavior and preventing future incidents. 6. The impact of treatment and health. The treatment a dog receives from different family members can also affect its behavior. If a person is consistently harsh or uses punishment to correct a behavior, the dog may develop a fear of that person. If the dog associates a family member with negative experiences, it may react defensively when that person is around. Additionally, a dog's health can significantly influence its temperament. Pain or discomfort can lead to irritability and aggression. If a dog is in pain due to an injury or medical condition, it may react more negatively to certain people, especially if they accidentally touch a sensitive area. Rehabilitation and family involvement. Rehabilitation may be necessary, especially if the behavior is due to fear or anxiety. This process often includes desensitization and counter-conditioning techniques, which help the dog become more comfortable with the bitten person. It requires time, patience, and consistent effort, but many dogs can learn to modify their behavior with the right approach. It is essential to involve the entire family in training and rehabilitation. Everyone should understand the importance of consistent interaction with the dog and be aware of the factors that can trigger aggressive behavior. Setting clear boundaries and ensuring the dog feels safe in its environment can significantly improve the situation. Foster healthy relationships. Open communication within the family is essential. Discussing feelings and experiences related to the dog can help identify patterns that contribute to the behavior. A supportive environment allows everyone to share their concerns and observations calmly. Understanding why a dog bites only one member of the family requires a comprehensive assessment of the dog's past experiences, temperament, and family dynamics. This complex problem requires empathy and a willingness to work together as a family to improve the situation. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.